how to remove card off DoorDash. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll guide you on how you can remove your card off your DoorDash account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to remove the card from your DoorDash account, it is very simple. All you have to do is just go ahead and launch the DoorDash application that you can find here. As you launch the DoorDash app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just want to tap the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen here. Once you tap the profile option from the top right, if you look at the very top, you have this option over here that says payment. So you want to make sure to just tap the payment option, and then over here you'll be able to find all the saved payment methods, including even the credit or debit card that you've added. Just locate the card that you want to remove, tap on it, click the remove option, and then you should be good to go from there on onwards. You would have successfully removed the card. This way you can remove your card off DoorDash. Hope this video was very helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to comment down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.